So we bought this air conditioner about a week ago. We've been using it for about a week, and it is amazing, I gotta say. It cools down almost the whole house. Our house, or our living room, is pretty big, and it keeps it very, very cool. We also have the doors open to the other rooms, and also those are pretty cool. So a couple things I want to mention, which I didn't mention in my previous video. Make sure that you buy a sealing tape here, that it fits perfectly. Also very important, go get a lock for the window, so nobody can actually try to open the window from outside and get in your house. So that's something not to forget. Also down here, the seal over here and the seal down here. Make sure before you turn the air conditioner on, making sure that the seals are properly sealing. Make sure they are completely plugged in, they're completely pushed in. You need to make sure that, because it started leaking and we didn't know what was going on until we saw that the seals weren't completely nicely plugged in. So make sure before you use the air conditioning that you check this. But overall, this air conditioner is amazing. It works with the remote, even from far away. It turns on and off whenever you want to. It's been such a blessing. So if you are in need of an affordable air conditioner, this is the one you want. It's absolutely reliable, and I can, again, totally recommend it.